All right, what is up YouTube? This is gonna be an auto park tutorial. So basically position yourself so you can reverse park and the P will pop up. Anytime you see that P pop up, click it, shift to reverse, hit start, and let the magic happen. So at this point, FSD is using the camera vision system as well as using the sensors to basically align the car, within the lines to make sure you're getting perfect parking every time. It's basically using artificial intelligence to park the car. Yeah. So as you can see here, one quick swipe, FSD or auto park was able to park the car for me. So yeah, just like that, your car is parked, and typically you can gather your things and stuff while it's parking, and that way you're ahead of the curve, but sometimes it does take a while. But anyways, it's pretty cool when a computer gets to park your car for you. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe for more FSD content and Tesla content. Check out the channel Tesla DMV. There's a lot of stuff going on there, and drop a comment for any requests. Thanks again. Have a great day.